Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the video, I wanted to let you know that for the rest of this summer there is going to be 2 uploads every single week. This is the second video, which is the meal prep, and I'm really excited for you guys because these meal prep ideas are super easy, super healthy, and delicious. But if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, you want to be subscribed. I am posting some awesome content coming up in the next few months, and I'm super duper excited. My birthday's coming up. But anyways, I'm going to be posting back to school related videos and summer related videos. So again, you do not want to miss out. Anyways, without further ado, let's hop into this video. Alright guys, so this first recipe is so delicious and easy. They are the peanut butter protein balls at only 50 calories a serving. It's amazing. So what you're going to need for this recipe is some flax seeds, some chia seeds, peanut butter, dark chocolate chips, some oats, some vanilla extract, honey, salt, and cinnamon. And guys, this is so simple. This recipe is literally dump and mix, and then you just roll your peanut butter balls together. It is so easy and so delicious and worth it at the same time because it's healthy. And these little peanut butter balls, you guys, they taste like cookie dough, and it's actually pretty incredible. So anyways, you guys, I just continue to mix everything in. By the way, you guys, all the recipes along with the specific measurements will be down in the description below. Go check that out if you're interested in trying out any of these recipes, and if you are, I would love to hear about it. You can follow me on any of my social media links, which will also be in the description. So after I'm done mixing everything together, I'm just going to roll these guys into like 2-inch balls, and I'm going to put them into my Tupperware where they can chill in the fridge for the rest of the week. These protein balls make a delicious breakfast. Another thing that makes a delicious breakfast is a fruit salad, and I love doing this, you guys. When you come out from the grocery store and you get a whole bunch of fruit, the best thing that you can do is cut it up because it's gonna be accessible to you. It's gonna be right there in front of you, and you're gonna be able to eat it, and it's gonna be delicious and healthy. The next healthy recipe we're doing is a pasta salad. You're gonna need bowtie pasta, pepperoni, mushrooms, yellow bell pepper, tomatoes, and cucumbers. So after I boiled my pasta, I'm just rinsing it off. You want to make sure your pasta is cold. And then I just am mixing everything together and well incorporating all those delicious veggies, you guys. What I love about this pasta salad is that it's fresh and delicious. This is just absolutely perfect for the summertime, for barbecues, or for lunch. I love having this stuff for lunch. So next, I'm adding in my Italian dressing. You can use whatever dressing you prefer, and then some salt and pepper, and this pasta is good to go. After a good mix, that is. Next up is a twofer, which is these delicious flaxseed crackers and this tzatziki sauce. And if you've never heard of tzatziki sauce, it's Greek and it's delicious. So we're starting with the crackers, and you're gonna need chia seeds, flax seeds, some parsley, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and I just put that in a little bowl. And you're also gonna need some water. I put my oven on at 355. Now I'm just dumping everything in and making sure everything is nice and incorporated. You guys, I'm telling you, these recipes are too easy to pass up. They are just easy and healthy, and you can not have processed crackers. You can have these with your lunch. You can put them in like a bento box. I mean, these are absolutely amazing. Now I'm just dumping out my mixture onto a greased cookie sheet. I put a line of foil down just to make sure that nothing sticks to the pan or anything like that. And like I said, I greased it. I am just laying it down, and I thought I could flatten it out with my hands, but that did not happen. I end up having to use a rolling pin. You're gonna need to get this as flat as you possibly can, pretty much like a big pancake, and mine wasn't as like even or like square shaped. I just kind of did it pretty organic, you know, just it's homemade, you know, it's not supposed to be perfect, it's homemade. So next, you're going to use a knife, and you're just going to kind of draw the lines that you want for your crackers. Then I added on some salt on top. Next, I'm making my tzatziki. This recipe is so easy. All you're going to need is Greek yogurt, salt, pepper, a half of a lemon, and some fresh dill. It's as simple as that. So I'm just cutting up my dill. Then after I put my Greek yogurt into my dish, I added my dill, I added my lemon juice and salt, pepper, mixed it all up, and there you go. That's your homemade tzatziki sauce. Honestly, guys, it looks like I went a little bit overkill on the salt and pepper, but TBH, it turned out absolutely perfect. And honestly, Greek yogurt is a little on the sour side, so I like to make it more savory than anything else with the salt and things like that. So it was a good balance between the lemon and the Greek yogurt and the salt. I loved it. Now that everything is added in, I just mixed it all together, and I threw some fresh green onions from my garden on top of the tzatziki, and this is a great snack, you guys. Please let me know if you try it out. It's so yummy. Another thing that is yummy is some veggies, some fresh veggies, and this is another tip, you guys. When you go to the grocery store, cut everything up. Cut all your veggies up, and some of my favorites that I cut up are cucumbers, carrots, mushrooms, broccoli, and some cherry tomatoes, and that's it. And you can add whatever veggies you want, and this is perfect. I call this the salad starter because you can just make a salad out of all of these ingredients and you're good to go. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. It really means a lot to me, and I am so blessed to have all of you as viewers and subscribers. And again, if you're not subscribed, please do to join the family. I try to post mostly positive and upbeat and enlightening videos, something that you can get something out of, and most of all, just a whole bunch of good and fun all packed into one channel. So again, if you're not subscribed, click that red button right below to join the family. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.